Hi, Chris German from the apartment dealer here. And when I last left you, we got the initial quote, or the initial walkthrough, I should say, of the rehab that we're doing on one of my own personal units. I wear both hats, the hat of both a broker as well as the hat of an investor. And I thought one of the biggest inquiries we've had, or when I posed the question, what type of information would you like? The owners, have asked, hey, give us some insight in terms of what's going on with your own renovations for ideas and what have you. And again, I self-manage just as many as you do, and I utilize outside vendors for all the work. I'm not very handy myself. I'm not proud of that, but not very handy. So I utilize outside vendors, and that's the overall situation in terms of our approach. So again, let's take a look at the unit where we were versus where we are now, and some thoughts on where we're going to be going over the next week or so. Come on in. Okay, so if you watched the first installment, you may remember that was the kitchen, and this was the living room, bedroom, bathroom, and this is a small one-bedroom standalone cottage. Where we are today is all the rough electrical has gone in. So you may be able to see my electricians have already cut the holes for the recessed lighting. We're gonna have wires, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide, all our plugs and what have you, that's all been wired up. My other contractor has already removed the interior walls. Through this process, we found out that the walls were not the normal thickness of a traditional wall, if you will, so we're gonna have to rebuild the interior walls. That's not something we were anticipated, but anytime you do these type of renovations, you run into things that you're not anticipating. The kitchen itself, there used to be a wall here, back to back with the bathroom, and the sink was here. We're now gonna flip that, we're gonna close this window, put the sink here. We're gonna close off what was this makeshift laundry room. Again, I didn't do that, that's the previous owner's doing. Close this off, reopen. As you can see here, this was a storage, and the water heater used to be in here. We're moving the water heater outside. That will become one big storage area and essentially one big laundry room. Bathroom setup will basically stay the same. The stove will go here, fridge here. We have our living room. Bedroom will stay the same with a closet. As I mentioned, if you've been to any of our educational events, we don't just put some carpet, lipstick, and call it a day. Again, we redo the wiring, we're redoing the plumbing, high-grade copper, or for those who know, there's two types of copper, a thin kind and a thick kind. We go with the thick. We want these units to last us 20 years plus. We're redoing all our drains. So we really dig in. Many of my properties, like yours, are gonna serve for my retirement in the future. So when we get a vacancy, I just go through it, and I don't wanna have to think about it again. And what that really amounts to in the end for me is no maintenance calls, literally. I always joke that with our properties, I drive by maybe once every 3 months just to make sure someone didn't pick up and steal the buildings. Because honestly, we just don't get that many maintenance calls because we go through them. So that's where we are as of now. This week, the interior walls will go up. The electrician and plumber will come back out, finish the rough that they weren't able to finish because they didn't have walls to tie into. Then we'll discuss putting in, we're gonna go with new windows, retrofit windows, and get our bathroom in and so forth, but we'll be going through each of those phases. I hope this information helps. Any questions, where we pick more materials and so forth, I'm more than happy to share. And again, this is Chris German from the apartment dealer, and we'll see you in the next installment. Thank you.